honestly guys, this is more like a race event than a car meet. The car show has like less than 30 cars, and these are all spectators and racers. Not a lot of cars, which is good for us because we can run back to back. Mario's in the car. Sorry I haven't spoken much, but it was a long drive. It was a long drive. I came back to get my camera to put into Mario's car before he goes and race. I am surprised though, because there are a lot of big dogs here. Some of the big dogs that were also at IFO when we were here a couple months ago. I'll show you guys some of the cars in the line right now. Holy. K. Let's get it, dude. This car was out here in IFO last time? Yeah. Yeah, this is clean. What's good, what's good? What's that in? What's good, what's good? Is you guys right here?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys about to go or what? Got my camera. I never seen anything like this before, but the lowest reading is 10. 10? What's good, what's good? 11. I'm gonna air this one down a little bit. That's the stickiness of the tire.
Okay. You want me to send it?
If it doesn't feel good after the burnout, then call it.
Right.
Yeah, because that's just, you can hear it sticking on the floor.
Okay.
Mario made his first pass, and he said the car was doing some weird things after the first burnout. And then I told him do a second burnout, see if the car feels good. If it feels good, run it. And it felt good. And then when he went to go run it, the car was doing some weird stuff that it was actually doing to me when I drove here the last event. Look at this. Yeah, so we're gonna have to re-zip tie that or something, because for some reason it's not clipping on. Oh, okay. Try to chow this down real quick. TNT is actually up right now, so I'm sorry guys. We were eating, Mario's in line, and I'm pretty sure this is the last run of the day. It's like 9:30, they close at 10. TNT line is moving right now. Still a bunch of cars out, but I don't know if I'm gonna jump in. I don't know. I want the owner to drive his car fast down the track, so I'm probably just gonna have him drive it. Plus, I don't have a wristband. Yo, that pass right there was a little bit better, but I think Mario missed second gear. If you guys didn't see, it was a 12.8 at 111 miles an hour. The back half was picking up, but something about second gear, I think.
Break something? On a passenger.
Oh, there it is.
Hey, I think I broke driver's side axle.
Where you at?
I'm limping it back to the trailer. But if I try
Where you at?
all the way to the end, I'm gonna try to get my ticket before they get rid of it. Alright.
Mario told me he had a broken axle, and I went to go get him, but apparently it's driving. So Mario's back here to the pit, and his number on the windshield is 07, right? And let me show you guys right here in the light. 07, right lane right there. I told him to ride it out a little bit further in first gear, because on the last pass he shifted really early as soon as the limiter bounced once, and he rode it out and did a 1693. And mind you, Mario's only done 2.0 plus even on slicks, but he didn't miss second gear. He found it, and then he tried to back half it, but it only did a 12.8 at 111 miles an hour. But dude, I saw how much of an improvement that pass was compared to all the other ones he's ever done on the slicks. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure the TNT is closed. Unfortunately, didn't get a solid A to B pass on the last two tonight, but this is an improvement. You guys already know what it is, man. Progress is better than no progress. 1693. I call that a 17, but a 17 is definitely better than a 2.0 and a 2.3 he did last time. So, okay, definitely going somewhere. Mario launching so damn hard on the 24-inch slicks, he thinks he broke an axle. But anyways, the car did drive back to the pits, and I'm sure it'll drive back onto the trailer. Man, I wish we had more time, and I think it was on me because I left the house a little bit late, and I had to drive to Mario, which was 4 hours, and then I had to drive another hour from Mario to the track, and by then it was already 2 hours into racing, and we only got 2 passes for the TNT. So Mario's saying that he had some weird clunky noises, and these are insane 500 axles. That one right there has some grease coming out on the half shaft side. It's hard for you guys to see it, but this one has more clunky noise than the other side. You're supposed to have a little bit of play, obviously, right? But this one just makes too much noise. So he's gonna have to take this apart when he gets home. You do have spare axles, right? He has some spare axles, but we're done for the night anyways. Just taking off the slicks, putting the wheels back on, clean up the trailer, load it up, and man, I'm not looking forward to the 4-hour drive back home, man. That's crazy.